Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Vashish, you have to sit straight. In the beginning only, I'm telling you.
What, ma'am?
Sit straight, okay? Everyone, switch on your cameras.
देखो क्या है पहले क्वेश्चन पढ़ो
What we write?
बेटा, 2 minutes wait करोगे?
Yes,
Switch off
ma'am.
your mics. Switch off your mics. And switch on your videos. Switch your videos on. Samar, Gargi, Vashish, Athar, Jasleen, Arhan, Raghav, Kavyan, switch on your videos quickly. Jaldi se. Quickly open your videos.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Switch on your cameras quickly. Vashish, Athar. Okay, let's start today. What we have to start the third question. The roses and lily one. Okay, let me tell you the page number. Page number 4040. Everyone, take out page number 4040 in your maths book.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, and now don't disturb in between. Okay, Samar. Page
Good
number 4
morning,
is good morning के लिए already I've given you 5 minutes. Now don't say good morning again and again. 5 minutes में मैंने बहुत good morning बोल दी. अब now take out page 40. Take out page number 40, 4040. Okay, and the notebooks also. So we will start the third. Okay, अवन वाला हमने कर लिया था. Gardener वाला we have to do, right? है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's start this question. Wait a minute, beta.
Ma'am.
Yes, the gardener question we have done yesterday, page number 40, question number 4, page 40, question 4. Okay, Raghav, मेरे पास आंसर नहीं आया था कल, हाँ? Okay, Saksham, read the third question again. Saksham, read the third question, fourth question again, fourth one.
Raj bought a oven for
An
rupees
oven, बेटा कल भी मैंने बताया था, it's an oven, not oven. It's an oven.
Okay.
Jasleen, get up. Open your eyes.
Please read the question.
Yes, बेटा fourth वाला करना है, third वाला नहीं करना है. Fourth.
and a television for rupees 4,356. How much money did he spend in all?
बेटा fourth वाला पढ़ना है, fourth वाला read करना है.
A gardener paid 1,341 roses, 683 sunflowers, and 2,200 lilies. In his garden, flowers did he plant altogether?
So what is given here? A gardener is here. He planted some roses, some sunflowers, and some lilies in his garden. How many flowers did he plant all together? Now you have to tell how many plants did he. Prasang, Angvar, Gaurav and Vashisht, open your mic cameras. Open your cameras, jaldi se. हाँ.
Ma'am, I was saying that I do this question in my notebook.
क्या करूँ Angel? What should I do?
And ma'am, I was asking that can I drink water?
Angel, don't ask me such silly questions. Keep a water bottle with water with you, and do not go for especially drinking water. Okay. Okay, everyone. Now see here. Look here. Write in the maths pen notebook. You can continue from the same page. Maths pen notebook. You're entering so late. Maths pen notebook. New page is there. On the new page, you just start writing.
And I written a gardener dot all together. Ma'am, can I write this?
Beta, fine, same page, sir, same. Sorry, excuse me, beta, I'm so sorry. It's from not new page, it's from the same page. आपने question लिख लिया होगा, I think so. है ना? A gardener करके. If you have written, don't write it again. Write question. Use common sense. You are grown up. Use common sense. In that common sense, you know, gardener. You have to write and put dot in between. And in the last, you have to write all together. Write it quickly. Those who have not written, just लिख लिया था, it's okay. Just those who have not written, just write it quickly. Okay. Now write answer for. Okay. What will be the first statement? Okay. Wait. Raghav, what will be the first statement? Raghav, what will be the first statement? Number of. Number of, beta, say again. You are right. NO dot is the short form of number of. NO dot is the short form of number. Roses. Beta, rose nahi, roses. Number of roses. Okay. Then in next we will write what? The same. Number of sunflower. Number of sunflowers. Put an equal to sign here also. And what we have to do next? Number of what? Lilies. 3 types of flowers are here. 3 types of flowers are here. So you will write all 3 flowers. Number of lilies. And equal to sign ke equal to sign will be there. Okay. So how many roses are here? अच्छा एक और चीज रहेगी. Total flowers. Total flowers. These all are flowers. So we will write total flowers, put an equal to sign under the equal to sign, and tell me how many number of roses are here.
Ma'am, 1,340.
No. Say 1,341. Now how many sunflowers are here?
अच्छे 1 4
6 8
तो
3.
सारा प्लस नहीं करना है
Now how many lilies are here?
2,225.
Very good. 2,225. Sorry. 2,225. Then you have to find out the total flowers. Write the total flowers here. And beta ऐसे ही लिखना है without leaving any line in between these numbers. Okay? In the same way. Now you will use plus sign here. So he planted. Then you will write so he planted. Number of flowers, whatever will come dash flowers all together.
Ma'am, there is 2,255.
55, okay, sorry. Abhi change kar rahi hu, wait. So he planted dash flowers together.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have written the so statement in my word.
It's okay. You can use in any word. Now is it okay? Yes,
Yes,
now calculate
yes.
it yourself. Calculate it. अच्छा हाँ बेटा, इसके बीच में एक लाइन छोड़ना है. इसके बीच में so statement में you have to leave one line in between. Here you have to leave one line. Like I am telling you like this. Kanha, do your work बेटा.
दो है.
Here you have to leave one line in between. यहाँ पर one line leave करनी है. And after this, draw the ending line. Then write.
Only one line really.
Vashisht, how many lines I left in between? अभी मैंने कितनी lines बोला था बेटा? कितनी बोला था?
One.
1. तो इसका मतलब है 1 ही छोड़नी होगी. अगर मैंने बोला था 1 तो 2 तो छोड़नी नहीं होगी, है ना?
हो गया. अब यहाँ पर 1 लाइन छोड़ो, यहाँ पर लिखो so.
Aryan, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. I have done my work, so I can send on WhatsApp.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
I will check your answers, how you people are doing. Kavish already sent me. Kavish, ठीक है, good. Improved a lot.
Planted. अब यहाँ पर लिखो 427 अच्छी राइटिंग में लिखना है 4229 flowers. हाँ.
After this, leave one line and write for question number 4. Leave 2 lines in between and write for question number 5. Okay, Aryan. Okay, Aryan.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Just write roses, sunflowers. Because your number of flowers are more than 1. They are plural. Okay, very good, Aradhe. Prastogi, very good.
Six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. लिखो फ्लावर्स ऑल टुगेदर का ना लिखो फटाफट और भेजो मैम. फ्लावर्स ऑल टुगेदर साथ में आएगा ये ऐसे.
Jaldi se complete it, everyone, and send the answers to me. Okay, I got Vayun answer. Okay, let me check it. Good, Vayun, very good. Beta, Vayun, but your answer is coming wrong. It is 4279. It is coming. You have written 3279. Okay, very nice. Who is this angel? Good. Beta, ये कौन है? ये रब करो अभी के अभी. Shazan, rub it and do it properly. The whole answer is wrong, Shazan. Very bad. इतना बताने के बाद भी नहीं करोगे. Rupees, beta, Gargi, it is not rupees. This is numbers. These are not rupees. These are numbers. By the time those who have done, read next question. Question number 5 अपने मन में पढ़ो. Those who have done, they just read the next question 5, question 6 and think what will happen in these questions. जिनका हो गया है वो read question number 5, question number 6 from your book and think about the story. They just ठीक है, very good. Shazan, just rub your answers again and do it again. Kanha, correct. Very good, Kanha. Kanha, मम्मी ने किया है, खुद से किया है?
मैम I have do it myself.
Okay, very good. Okay, then who is this? Saksham Gangwar, beta, put the addition sign also. Saksham, put the plus sign also. Saksham, plus sign भी लगाओ. सिद्धांत, बेटा लास्ट स्टेटमेंट नहीं लिखी है. टोटल फ्लावर्स कौन लिखेगा? टोटल फ्लावर्स वाली कौन लिखेगा बेटा? नहीं लिखोगे एग्जाम में तो मार्क्स कट हो जाएंगे आपके. Who is this Prasang God?
तीन चार बार काटा है.
Athar Singh, switch off your mic. Okay, let me write down the question 5. After leaving 2 lines, you have to start question 5. Okay, that starts from there are put so many dots in between. After that, there are के बाद villages. Okay, let me check it. Be quick, jaldi jaldi bhejo. Who is this? Priya. Priya, correct. Priya, your answer is coming wrong. It is coming 4279. Okay, Vayun. Priya, your answer is coming wrong. Siddhant, your answer is also coming wrong. It should be 4279. Arhan, correct. Arhan, your answer is correct. Yeah, neatly and cleanly done. Very good. Siddhant, correct your answer. Otherwise, all the things are correct. Good. So, do it quickly. कौन रह गया? Let me take their names. Those are not sent. अथर्व सिंह ने नहीं send किया. प्रथर गुप्ता, कार्तिक शर्मा, समर, श्रेया and Ayushi, Samarth, Arav Tiwari. Arav Tiwari, you must do your work yourself. Nobody else will help you. Jasleen, where is your work? Kavyansh, where is your work? There are so
Ma'am,
many
I am
students also have not sent me the work. Send me your work right now. Gargi, Rohit. And what about these? Mohammad Shazan, Raghav, Vashish, Ravika, Rohit and Gaurav. Open your cameras. Send me your answers quickly, those who have not sent it. And remember your names very well. जिसने मुझे send नहीं किया है.
Ma'am, my camera is on. I am sending.
Send it quickly. Prakhar Gupta, your answer is coming wrong. करा ठीक है, but answer is coming wrong. Mohammad Shazan, बेटा क्या कर रहे हो ये? Shazan, are you present in the class or not? What are you doing? जब मैंने कहा पहला वाला आंसर ही wrong है, just let me write. Please follow the instructions.
Ma'am, I have done question number 5.
फिर मेरे को देखता रहता है क्लास में 24 घंटे।
Ma'am,
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done question number 5.
Ma'am, I have done.
ma'am,
Oh sorry बेटा, I was on mute. I was continuously speaking. मैं ये बोल रही थी आराध्या. Sorry.
and we have to do question 5 also.
No. Who asked you to do question 5? Who asked you to do question 5?
I have not done. I am speaking because Saksham is saying I have done.
नहीं बेटा, सक्षम ने गलत करके भेजा है. I told him, and Aradhya also he has done it. I didn't said that. बेटा, you were getting my voice. कितनी देर से मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही थी?
Ma'am, 5 to 6.
बहुत देर
5 to 6 minutes.
Oh, I was
5 to
continuously speaking. I was on mute and I was not knowing that I'm on mute. मैं सबके आंसर्स चेक करके बता दिए थे. So I was continuously speaking. चलो पता नहीं क्या क्या बोला था मैंने तब. I checked your answers and I told your answers also, but I was on mute. ठीक करा हुआ था. एक वशिष्ठ के लिए मैंने बोला था, तो वशिष्ठ ने सुना था. When I said about Vashisht, you have not done the correct answers. Do it again. Vashisht, I asked you to do the answers again. It is wrong. I was continuously speaking, but I was on mute. Vashisht के लिए I was saying कि answer पूरा गलत किया Vashisht, फिर से करो. Okay, now read the question. Whom I asked to read the question? Just wait a minute. Arhan, you read the 5th question, beta. I was continuously speaking then. Read the 5th question.
Ma'am, have you seen my?
I have seen everyone. सिर्फ वशिष्ठ का गलत है बेटा, बाकी सबका ठीक है. सिर्फ वशिष्ठ का रॉन्ग था. वशिष्ठ को मैंने दोबारा करने के लिए बोला है, और एक शहजाद को. वशिष्ठ अब आया है.
Page A and 3345 in village B. Which question is wrong?
बेटा, let him read.
All pupils of the village.
Samarth, बेटा, Samarth, बेटा, what do you do? One thing, where जहाँ आंसर लिखा है उसमें आंसर भी लिखो बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayushi correct. Shreya correct.
Ma'am, which one is wrong?
बेटा, everything is wrong वशिष्ठ. मैं आपको 4 बार बोल चुकी हूँ that your answer is wrong. Just do it again. Rub the whole page and do it again without leaving lines. Just rub the whole page and write it again. Beta, answer is coming wrong. Arav Tiwari, your answer is coming wrong. Arav Tiwari, your answer is coming wrong. It is 4279. It is coming. शाहजैन अभी भी गलत किया हुआ है. I think your parents are doing this work, शाहजैन. अब सेकंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करके बैठ गए हो. Why so I don't know. बेटा गौरव, ये NO होता है, नंबर का ON नहीं होता है, NO डॉट होता है, ऑन नहीं होता है. ON तो ऑन होता है. काव्यांश करेक्ट. ये किसने करके भेजा है नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन? चलो. So there is one village A and there is people, how many? 6050 people in village A, and there are some people, 3345 people in village B. Now you have to tell, wait a minute, beta. 945. Okay. Yes, there is one village A and there is one village B. There are some people in village A and there are some people in village B. Now you have to tell what is the total population of the village. How will you calculate? Population means what? Number of people living in that area is known as population. Okay? Number of people living in one area is known as population. Okay. So what we will write? People in village A. Wait a minute. Beta, you can frame your own sentences also. Yes, you can frame your own sentences also. You want to write down your own sentence, but make it छोटे छोटे बनाना. People in village A. People in village A. Then you write people in village B. People in people in village A and people in village B. Then you will write total population. Population means number of. Yes, Raryan.
I was asking, like, you have written people in village A, so I can write number of people in village A.
Yes, you can frame your own sentences also. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
But it should be, make sure it should be correct and it should not be lengthy. ठीक होना चाहिए और lengthy नहीं होना चाहिए. छोटी सी बनाया करो. ठीक है? बस, that's it. You can frame your own sentences, your own statement, and it is very good that you are framing your own sentences.
I have written the answer.
Okay, very good. Now, Acha beta, I'm telling you the answer of the first one. What is it coming? So that you can check what is the, some of you have written the wrong answers I've seen.
9395.
No, second answer, मैं fourth वाले की बात कर रही हूँ बेटा.
4279.
Just do your work. So the total population of villages is dash dash dash. बेटा dash 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 में आपको आपका आंसर फिल करना होता है. आपको आपका आंसर फिल करना होता है, the dash. Okay, so I'm telling you the answer of this one. It is, इसका आंसर आ रहा है 4279. 4279. Okay, और इधर भी लिखोगे आप 4279 flowers altogether. जल्दी से complete it.
And we have to write the question also.
Yes. बेटा जैसे मैंने लिखा है वही लिख दो.
Ma'am, I have sent you my work.
Okay.
I also send you, ma'am.
All right. Wait a minute, beta.
I have also sent.
Okay, very good. Okay, let me check it now. This is class 3B. Okay. Prasang, correct. Prasang, थोड़ा neat and clean लिखो, इतना गंदा लिखा हुआ है. There is so much space there. Why don't you use it? ये minus minus नहीं आते बेटा, equal to sign properly put करो. Who is this? Angel. 3 Angel. ठीक से put करो. Aryan, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
अथर सिंह पूरा रॉन्ग है. इट्स कंप्लीटली रॉन्ग. बेटा कोई लाइन नहीं छोड़नी है बीच में. अथर सिंह, पे अटेंशन. कितनी बार बताऊं बेटा, देयर यू डू नॉट लीव एनी लाइन इन बिटवीन. कोई लाइन नहीं छोड़ते. पूरी गलत करा हुआ है क्वेश्चन 4. आंसर को पूरा गलत किया हुआ है. देयर इज नो डोंट लीव एनी लाइन इन बिटवीन व्हेन यू आर सॉल्विंग. गौरव करेक्ट. कविश करेक्ट. करेक्ट कविश, यस. सिद्धांत करेक्ट. समर टिकियानी करेक्ट. Do it quickly. Now you will frame your own statements. खुद आप कल मुझे ट्राई करके भेजोगे. You will frame your own statements tomorrow. Statement mean एक क्वेश्चन अपने आप फॉर्म करोगे. And you will send me on your WhatsApp group. You keep it typed and send me on the WhatsApp group tomorrow. खुद फ्रेम करनी है एक स्टेटमेंट, क्वेश्चन. एक क्वेश्चन खुद फ्रेम करना है एडिशन का. बेटा ये कैसे करते हो कविश? एक बार नंबर लिख लेते हो तो दोबारा साइड में क्यों लिखते हो? जस्ट ओनली राइट वंस. व्हाई आर यू राइटिंग अगेन एंड अगेन? यस वायुन करेक्ट. वायुन सो स्टेटमेंट नहीं लिखी है बेटा इसकी.
Ma'am, I have written, but
But
I
you
have
have not
sent
sent
it
it.
down.
बेटा send it
It will,
together.
but
Okay,
ma'am,
Arhan,
I
very
cannot
good.
send.
Very good, Arhan. Neatly and cleanly done. बेटा ये बिल्कुल रॉन्ग वे है. तेजस ऐसा वर्क नहीं करते हैं कि आधा क्वेश्चन एक पेज पर, आधा क्वेश्चन दूसरे पेज पर. ये 3 लाइंस इट शुड बी टुगेदर. सी तेजस, सी दीज 3 लाइंस शुड बी टुगेदर. अगर आपके पुराने पेज पे जगह नहीं है तो ये तीनों न्यू पेज से स्टार्ट कीजिए आप. ठीक है, बट 3 लाइंस शुड बी रिटन वन अंडर द अदर. ये अलग अलग नहीं होंगी ये तीनों लाइंस.
Excuse me, ma'am, how many questions we have to do?
10.
Ma'am, 10?
हाँ, अभी और करेंगे.
Okay, ma'am.
सक्षम करेक्ट. गार्गी
Okay.
करेक्ट. ओके वायुन. Okay, let's start the next question by the time. Chalo. Tejas, read next question from the
Yes,
book.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I am reading. There are 412 mangoes.
412 तो नहीं है, 4012 है बेटा.
Okay, ma'am. There are 4,012 mangoes in one
Orchard. Orchard is a place where fruits are grown. Okay. हाँ, and
Okay, ma'am. And 3,872 in
हाँ,
another.
okay, very
How
good.
many mangoes are there altogether in both the orchards?
Orchards. Okay, so there are 2 orchards. In one orchard there is 4,012 mangoes, and in another orchard there are 3,872 mangoes. How many mangoes are there altogether? So this you will do it yourself. अपने आप करो ये question पूरा. खुद से करो. Do everyone yourself. I want to see what statement you will form. वैसे मैं
But
बता
ma'am-
देती हूँ. Number of mangoes in one orchard, number of mangoes in another orchard. Simple. I want to see who can do it on their own. And इसका आंसर आ रहा है 9395. So total population of the village is 9395. 9395. Check it, everyone. Check your answer.
Try the question also.
Which question should I write?
Then question 6.
Why? It is given in the book. Do it. See from the book. See from the book. It's given.
Ma'am, please only tell the question.
Only tell the question. Okay, you can just write there are ... you can put. There are ... you can put in between. And last में orchards. Okay, I'm writing. Don't worry. चलो कोई बात नहीं. I'll write for you.
Ma'am, question only.
Beta, I'm writing here. Yeah, question also, and I'm not writing the whole answer. आप मैंने लिखी हूँ. Answer आप खुद करोगे. Question number it is 6. Question 6 आप ऐसे लिखोगे. There are... put ... in between. Do it yourself. And orchards. Simple सा number of mangoes in one orchard लिखा जाएगा. Number of mangoes in second orchard. Yes, Kavish, what do you want to say? Why are you raising your hand, Kavish?
Ma'am, what is orchard?
Beta, orchard is a place where fruits are grown. Orchards is a garden where fruits are grown. It's a kind of a garden where fruits are grown. Write it yourself, answer 6. I want to see how you write it. There are number of mangoes in one orchard, number of mangoes in second orchard. Okay, he has done correct. Beta, plus sign और use करो. कौन है ये? Navneet Kaur. Jasleen, put plus sign also there. Jasleen, put plus sign also. Jasleen, put plus sign also there. Quickly, Jasleen.
वीडियो खुला है मेरा.
क्या है?
अरे वीडियो खुला है.
Keep your videos on, everyone. Do it yourself and send the answers to me. Kanha, where are you roaming? Come back. Raghav, open your camera, and I did not receive your answers today, Raghav. None of your answer was received by me today. Raghav, send me the answers quickly, okay? Today I did not receive a single answer from you. And there are so many. Avika, आज मुझे तुम्हारे से भी answer नहीं आया.
Ma'am, I have sent you the village
Village.
question.
Okay, beta, okay. Let me check it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I've received Vashisht. हाँ, Vashisht आप ठीक कराइए. ऐसे पीछे वाला भी ठीक करो. आयुषी, correct. ये कौन है? Gargi, correct. Very nice, Gargi.
Thank you, ma'am.
बेटा ये लाइन कहाँ लिखी है शाहजैन? कैसे समझोगे बेटा? Why are you making so many mistakes? Do not leave any line in between. ये प्लस साइन कहाँ पुट किया है? ठीक क्या है आंसर?